I take it you're planning to travel. Great choice. So how can you maximize your packing potential? First of all, packing is contextual. It will vary depending on where you are going, such as needing winter gear for your hike in the Alps, cool attire for a tropical relaxation, or comfortable everyday clothes for exploring cities and eating all of the food. But here's a general guide that can help you save space and pack smart. I prefer taking carry-on. There's less faff at the airport to check in and collect, less chance to lose your bag, and it's just easier to move around when in between accommodation. Check your airline's regulations. In Australia, generally you're allowed 1 or 2 carry-on items up to around 7 kilos. So this is different across airlines around the world. It can be helpful to use a compact handbag and foldable light day pack so you can consolidate into your main bag if need be, but have a smaller option for day-to-day exploring. Before you begin, consider, what do I need? Okay, now, what do I realistically need? And cut back on what you first thought. Each time you travel, you will likely realize less is more and you do not actually need as much as you packed. And a lighter pack makes a happier bag. Plan basic outfits with neutral colors so you can mix and match and think about layering. Clothes made of merino wool can also be lighter and odor resistant, making them a good option for traveling. Shoes can carry a lot of weight, so plan smart. If you're hiking, it's probably a good idea to wear your heavy hiking boots on the plane to save weight in your pack. I usually take sneakers for exploring, flats for nights, and flip-flops for the beach and showering in hostels. These can go on the bottom of the bag so you don't end up top heavy. Tech gear can be kept together. Use a clip or rolling technique to stop them from tangling. Keeping them in their own pouch or sunglasses case can save you from rummaging around to find them. Especially helpful if you're in a shared room and need to access it after the lights are out, or simply to stop you from needing to empty all of your contents. A universal adapter with USB outlet can also help reduce connectors and make things a little easier. I also keep a light padlock here, ready for hostel lockers. Toiletries. In general, it's a good idea to pop any liquids or creams into smaller containers available in chemist and department stores to save on space. International flights also hold restrictions of around 100 ml per container for carry-on. I keep everything in a clear toiletries bag as security generally requires these to be pulled out of your main bag and visible when scanning. Check lids are secured and consider popping some plastic under the bottle's lid to reduce leaks. Or you can also consider hard soaps, including for your shampoo bar. For minimalists, you can use the shampoo bar as a body wash. If you can't imagine living any amount of time without your hair tools, look for travel-sized versions or embrace the travel look. No one will mind. To keep your bag as fresh as you can, carry a separate plastic bag for dirty clothes. I also keep this in a separate compartment in my pack. This is then easy to carry with you when you get a chance to go to the laundromat. It can be a good idea to carry a spare credit, travel or debit card with you along with local currency just in case. I usually keep a card and spare money in my pack while I'm out through the day. There are a number of creative options here. You can hide it in your socks or in a mint tin, hoping that a would-be thief isn't looking for a solution to their bad breath. When traveling, you don't want rain to interfere with your plans, so a raincoat is a good idea. You can get raincoats that fold down and can easily be stashed into a corner of your pack. If you're camping or staying in a hostel, you may need a BYO towel. You can get highly absorbent small travel towels that do the job and won't take up much space. If you need to BYO pillow, rather than packing extra, you can fold up a jacket, use a scarf, or bulk out a jumper with a few clothes. Taking some string can also help you with DIY washing when on the go. If you clean some clothes as you travel, you can use the string as a clothesline. So once you have decided on what you absolutely need to take with you, it's time to pack it. We will want to use all the space available to you so you can get creative. Stash socks into shoes and place small items in between the larger objects as you pack. I found that rolling clothes can save space and potentially reduce creases, but don't expect to look crisp. You can simply roll your clothes, make a clothes burrito, or explore the wide range of rolling techniques you will come across online. Some people like to roll outfits together, but I personally like keeping them separate so I can mix and match. If you want to turn up your organisational game, you can use packing cubes. By keeping it contextual, so jumpers and jackets in one, tops in another, underwear together, you get the hint, you can more easily remember where everything is and grab the amount of layers you need. This is especially handy for top opening backpacks. If it's front opening, you can also lay clothing out in sections to make picking and choosing simple. Keep in mind items you will need easy access to when travelling, such as travel documents, passport, card, pens. I keep mine together in a pouch. If you're like me, you may also want to know food is available. Carrying an empty water bottle to fill up once past security, plus snacks, can save you money while travelling. If you are only permitted one carry-on item, I will keep these items plus my phone with podcasts and ebooks preloaded, headphones, an eye mask or a headband in my handbag, knowing I can place it into my larger pack when it is boarding time. And voila, it can re-emerge when I have found my seat. Quick hack, a headband or neck buff can be an ideal multi-purpose tool, doubling as an eye mask that also holds in headphones. I keep my toiletries near the top of the bag so I can easily access it when passing security, and so it can easily freshen up if the trip is a long one. And we're in Australia, so it probably will be. Where possible, take photos of documents or save your itinerary digitally, including your travel insurance details, preferably backed up on a cloud. This reduces your bag clutter and keeps everything together. When traveling, you'll want to wear comfortable clothes, but also take some bulky items out of your bag. Stretchy pants and a loose top, plus a light jumper and your headband or buff. I also carry my jacket. This can double up as your pillow on the flight and means you don't need to squeeze it into your pack. There you have it. You're all packed and ready to explore. Wherever in the world you are going, have fun and comment below to let us know your packing hacks.